In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set limits on how much time you can spend watching YouTube Shorts. So what you want to do is open up the YouTube app here on your device and then tap your profile image in the lower right-hand corner, or get to your profile on whatever device you're on, and then go to the gear icon, which takes you to the settings there towards the upper part of the screen. And then you're going to see something under account that says time management. If we tap into time management, you'll see something at the bottom of this option page that says daily limits, shorts feed and limit. If we tap to enable that option, it then gives us a duration to set. If we set this to 45 minutes, it will pause scrolling after 45 minutes. So you'll still see individual shorts like in search results, but as far as you being able to scroll or go from one to the other, or just the ability to watch them all together, this is a great way to manage your time better and to limit the amount of vertical content that you view on YouTube altogether. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe. I'll have some frequently asked questions in a pinned comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.